Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Ginger, ginger, ginger. Weight loss, weight loss, weight loss. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a perfect cup of ginger tea for weight loss. Not only for weight loss, but also as a cleanser to get rid of the toxin, the buildup in the body, and also to suppresses the appetite. Now, ginger has been used for centuries in the diet. It helps to do a lot of great things to the body. However, there are certain ways in which you can prepare it, which will further enhance this wonderful goodness. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, a quick, and easy way to prepare the ginger in a wonderful, light, very pleasant tasting tea. This tea is perfect to drink just before bed at night, warm. And what this tea is going to do, it's going to rev that metabolism up. It's going to boost the energy in the body. It's going to actually help to suppress that appetite. Therefore, with suppressed appetite, you're going to notice that you're going to be eating less. You're going to have less sugar crave. You're also going to get rid of the mindless snacking. And then you're going to notice that the weight is just going to keep falling off. Now, if you had simple exercise routine along with taking this wonderful tea, you're going to reap some awesome benefit. It's not only going to get rid of all that weight and flushes all the toxin from the body, but you're going to feel so energized, so alive, and with this comes a younger, fresher, wonderful looking you. So if you're interested in today's tea, continue watching. Our first ingredient, and it's the main ingredient, which is ginger. And ginger is great for weight loss. Ginger can enhance calorie burns and reduce a feeling of hunger. Therefore, it suppresses the appetite. So the first thing you want to do, you want to wash the ginger, and then you're going to peel off the outer layer. Some people don't really like to peel it, so make sure to wash thoroughly if you're not peeling. I tend to like to peel mine. Now there's two ways of preparing the ginger. You can choose to chop the ginger, or you can choose to grate the ginger. Personally, I think that grating the ginger, you get more from the ginger since it is more fine and is able to boil better. So I'm going to be grating this ginger. And to grate the ginger, you just grate it with a small grater. If you do not have a grater and you want to go ahead and blend the ginger, do that, okay? Now here is our grated ginger, and to make our ginger tea, we're going to add some additional ingredients. We are going to be using either lemon or lime. Now the wonderful thing about using either lemon or lime in our ginger tea is that it helps to boost it. It helps to give this ginger tea an additional boost of vitamin C. Not only that, it also helps to enhance the ginger for further speeding up the metabolism. Now to prepare the lemon or lime, whichever one you have is good, we're also going to focus on using the lemon zest. The lemon zest, in case you're not aware, have more vitamin C, more nutrients, more minerals than the juice itself. So in this ginger tea, we're using some lemon zest. If you have dry lemon peel, you can also go ahead and use that. To zest our lemon, you're just going to make sure to wash thoroughly. Also, if you're not using organic lemon, just put your lemon in a bowl with some warm water, pour some vinegar on it, leave it there for about half an hour or a little more, and then you rinse off with fresh water. And then your lemon peel will be totally good. So I'm just going to use the same grater, and I'm going to zest the lemon. And we're only using about a half of a teaspoon to a cup of ginger tea. So this is good. Here we have our lemon zest. Now after zesting the lemon, don't throw it out, since we're going to be using the lemon juice to further enhance our tea after boiling. And our third ingredient that we're adding to our ginger tea is parsley. And parsley is another wonderful ingredient for weight loss, as it helps to suppresses the appetite. It also helps to flush the system out. So mixing the parsley with the ginger and the lemon zest is going to create a wonderful cleanser, really clean out the guts, really getting rid of all the toxin in the body while suppressing the appetite and keeping you from eating as often as you normally would on a regular. So we're going to be boiling all these three ingredients together. So you're going to need a pot for sure and water. So I'm going to begin by measuring the ginger. If you're a ginger lover, as I said earlier, you can choose to use more. However, for 1 cup of ginger tea, I'm using 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. So we're adding that to the pot. For our parsley, you're going to use your discretion. Just use about 3 sprigs of parsley leaves. You're not going to chop. You're just going to crush like this and drop that in the pot. And next, reaching for the lemon zest. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest for 1 cup. Now, if you're going to make more, everything that I do here, just double or triple up on the ingredients. So if you're making for 2 serving, double up, 3 serving, triple up, and so on and so forth. So now I'm taking my 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest and I'm putting it in. So now that we have everything ready, our next step is to add water to this. I'm adding 1.5 cup of water, since there's evaporation process, and this is going to give us at least a cup of water after boiling. So here we have in 1 cup, 1.5 cups. Now I'm going to place this on the stove, and once you place this on the stove, you're going to let it come to a complete boil. As soon as it starts to boil, you're going to turn the stove off and you're going to leave it there for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that just now. So here we have our tea, and this is what it's going to look like after it comes to a complete boil. And now I'm going to set this aside for another 5 to 10 minutes for it to brew further, and then we're going to strain. Now this is the tea, and it's now cooled. It's not hot, but it's not cold. And this is exactly how you want it. You want to drink it a little warm, not too hot, just warm. So now I'm going to strain the tea directly in the cup. And here you have it. This is your ginger tea for weight loss. Now, to further enhance this tea, we're going to go ahead and we're going to squeeze a little bit of the lemon juice in the tea. So just cut a lemon and use lemon juice to your liking. So you can choose to use more or less of the lemon juice. We are not gonna add any sugar to this. The only thing we're adding to it is some freshly squeezed lemon juice. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little, probably about a teaspoon of lemon juice, and now our tea is ready. Now here is your tea, and you want to drink this tea warm just before bed at night. Now once you start taking this tea, you can drink it every night. Okay, now during the day you're going to choose to drink a lot of water. Drink the required amount of water. You're also going to add a little workout, and you're going to see amazing results. Okay, you're going to see really fast results, and as I said earlier, you're going to notice also that you have a boost of energy. You're going to feel fresh. Your skin is going to look good because it is loaded with antioxidant. So you're going to just find yourself looking just fresh, radiant, just basically a new you. So drink up, and I'm going to taste it for you. Very, very pleasant. It's really a strong ginger tea with a splash of lemon. You can hardly taste the parsley, but underneath you get a little bit of the parsley. So it's pretty easy to drink. It's not one of the tea that you're going to be like, 1, 2, 3. Very, very pleasant, very, very refreshing. Now for this tea, as I said, I like to drink it warm and I like to make it fresh. However, you can choose to double up or triple up on the ingredient and make enough to last for maybe about 2 to 3 days. However, when you're ready to drink, just warm it a little. Do not boil it. Do not make it be like piping hot. Just, warm it slightly and you're good to go. Now go ahead and give my special blend of ginger tea a try. It is really a wonderful, refreshing, and a very effective tea. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up and leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And share the tea, spread the love, try the tea, come back and comment. Now if this was the first time watching, I'm sure you want to see more of this video. So what you need to do is just look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also on the side there's a little bell, a little icon that looks like a bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Thank you all. Oh, I have merchandise, guys, so click on my link below and go visit my merchandise store. Browse around and see if there's anything you need. I also have an Amazon storefront where I share some of the stuff I personally use, some stuff I like, and some stuff that you asked for. Browse around on my Amazon storefront and see if there's anything you're in. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.